Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Honda Pilot key fob battery. First, let's gather the necessary items. You will need a small flathead screwdriver or a coin like a quarter to help open the fob. Most importantly, have a fresh CR2032 3-volt button cell battery ready. These are commonly found at hardware stores or electronics retailers. Having these tools on hand makes the process quick and easy. Now, let's open the key fob. Begin by locating the small release button on the side or back of your fob. Press this button and slide out the emergency metal key. With the emergency key removed, you'll see a small slot or notch. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver or coin into this opening. Gently twist or pry to separate the two halves of the key fob. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic casing. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Before removing it, take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Typically, the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Use your small flathead screwdriver to gently pry the old battery out of its compartment. Now, insert your new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the fob, making sure all internal components are properly seated. Gently press the halves together until you hear and feel them snap securely into place. Slide the emergency key back into its slot. Now, test all the functions of your key fob, such as locking and unlocking the doors, to confirm that the new battery is working correctly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.